Hello and welcome everybody. This is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Virulyn, and today we're going to be doing a general reading for my Taurus for February 2019. Now when I say general reading, it's going to cover your love, your career, your soul story, what's going on for February. Now, for some of you guys who have been subscribed to me for a while, I just want to apologize for being MIA. I had a lot of family issues that desperately needed to be tended to, so I had to take a leave of absence. That's why I couldn't do your January readings. I apologize. But everybody in my family is in good health right now, as good as they can be. I've got my ducks in a row. I've started meditating again, cleansing everything, kind of getting my mind clear so I can get you guys the best readings I possibly can. So I just want to say that I apologize for that, okay? But now we're back in business. Okay, so I want to go over with what's going on with the planets and the signs this month. We have a few changes with your ruling planet, Venus, as well as something's going on in your sign. All right, on February 3rd, your ruling planet, Venus, is entering Capricorn. You might find yourself a little bit more balanced, okay, well-rounded with what's going on with your love life, okay, your inspirations, you know, love, arts, everything that Venus does rule. On the 4th, we have a new moon in Aquarius. On the 10th, we have Mercury is going into Pisces. On the 14th, we have Mars is entering your sign, okay? What a good day for it to enter it too, right? All right, on the 19th, we have a full moon in Virgo, okay? So that pretty much sums what's going on with the planets and the signs for February 2019. If you would like to get more in depth, you guys can go ahead and Facebook me for more details. Or if you would like to book a private reading, go ahead and message me, all right, guys? All right, so let's get started. I have the Rider-Waite deck here. Messages from the angels, messages from the fairies, as well as I do have spirit animal deck here. Now, I'm always going to read from the Rider-Waite deck, and depending on after the reading, I'm going to see what my intuition says about pulling from either the angels or the fairies, or perhaps even both. It could end up as both. All right, guys, so let's get started. Now, my Taurus friends, you are an earth element. You're ruled by Venus. You're of the second house. You guys are determined, the settlers of the zodiac sign. Okay, you guys are practical. Okay, let's see what's going on here for the month of February 2019. Now let's see what's going on. All right. Now let's see. Shall we flip them over? No, I'm just kidding. All right. We are starting with the Queen of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, and the Fool. All right. So I am feeling that there could be an older female or perhaps even feminine mentor coming into your life, or it could perhaps be you. With the Queen of Cups, it is very important that you kind of take the authority on your emotions, okay, your love life, your passions too as well. You have the Page of Wands, okay, there could be a message or perhaps a change of your inspirations, okay, how you view the arts. Maybe some of you guys will be dropping one project and going to another. This could also be the influence of Venus is entering Capricorn too as well, because that does shake things up with how you guys view things regarding the arts and beauty and love life, okay? So with the Queen of Cups, I really do feel you have to be firm. If some of you guys are in a new relationship, be firm, okay? Don't be rough and harsh, because obviously the Queen of Cups is definitely more of a feminine, okay? But make sure that your feelings are heard, okay? Set the boundaries. This even could be to your partner, your wife, your husband. Just make sure that you are kind of letting them know how you feel and making sure that it doesn't go unsaid, okay? Rule like the queen, okay, when it comes to your emotions and your feelings, guys, okay? Alright, can you see that there? Very beautiful card. Now with the Page of Wands, it's definitely, there could even be a younger influence coming into your life. It could be male, it could be female, okay? It could be somebody that you're seeing, perhaps a co-worker too as well, that is changing up perhaps your inspirations, okay? That is letting you know, or even showing you, inspiring you a different way to approach things, okay? Giving you some advice too as well. With the Three of Pentacles, there is a community or a project that you might be working on. It could be work related, it could be perhaps you just bought a house, or you know, have a new apartment that you are sharing with other people, or you're gathering people to help you build it up, to help you decor it, paint the walls. Or for the project, it could be you and co-workers coming together to really find the best final result that you guys could for the project. Now you have the Fool card. This could be taken very different ways, okay? This could be you blindly going into a relationship. This could be you falling back into old habits, or seeing old loved ones that just wasn't right for you in your relationships. This could be you starting over, okay? Having a new outlook on life. Somebody inspiring you in a different way. You being more upbeat, being more happy, well balanced, just worrying about yourself. This could represent you being not so materialistic too as well. You can see that the Fool is simply carrying a, you know, a stick in a bag, like, you know, the old hobos that you see on the movies. So it's kind of telling you to travel lightly, okay? Possessions, you can't take them with you, okay? So try not to put so much value and effort on protecting them or taking them with you. Perhaps you just need to, like I said, travel lightly. Okay, guys? All right. And also, with the dog being in the background for the Fool, follow your instincts, okay? Follow your instincts. Your gut feeling is there for a reason. If you ignore it, you're not doing yourself any good, okay? Just because somebody's telling you one thing doesn't mean you have to do it, okay? Maybe take in their advice, weigh it, and see what your gut says. Always follow your gut instinct. That is your intuition, guys, okay? And we all have the ability to manifest our dreams. All right, so I'm feeling one from the fairies, and we'll see if there's one from the angels there. But I'm definitely feeling the fairies for you guys. You guys are an earth element. Fairies represent earth, okay? Angels represent air. So let's see what we have here. You know, the Fool card is very beautiful. It could represent the beginning or the end of any events, career, relationship, okay? Your whole soul story, okay? It could be a change in life, change in direction for your career, perhaps a beginning or the end of a relationship too as well. So let's see here. What do we got going on for my Taurus friends for February 2019? Okay. Okay, we have flower power. Spend time with flowers and flower essence to increase your personal healing power. Now, for some of you guys, you might be like, well, Vera, it is winter time. Okay, it could be oils. It could just be buying new house plants for your house to freshen up the air, okay? You guys are an earth element. So if you are getting the flower power card, you know that you are not spending enough time with nature. It might be cold outside, you might not be able to go outside like you like to hike, go to the beach, whatever it might be, but just bringing in a house plant, you know, can do you some well. If you guys are not capable of taking care of a house plant, maybe get some oils, you know, a lavender scent. Maybe you guys need to take a hot bath with some lavender oil. That does the soul wonders. Get them Epsom salt tubes, okay? So that is how you need to heal yourself. Maybe it is just saying it's time for you to get some sage for that house, okay? Cleanse your house with some lovely sage, okay? Doesn't actually have to be a flower, okay? Maybe it's telling you about roses on the 14th. I don't know. You know, these readings are pretty vague, so I'm kind of just trying to make sure I get to everybody and everybody's needs when I read these, okay? Could just be reminding you to get them flowers for that holiday. All right, that one jumped out. Page of Water. A new person enters your life. A relationship begins a new phase. Hyphened psychic abilities. Now, for this, when it says relationship and entering your life, it could be business, okay? You could have a new coworker, you could have a new employee, you could have a new business partner. If you're in school, you could have a new study partner, okay? For relationship-wise, this could be you dating around, okay? When it says a relationship begins a new phase, that could also mean your spouse and you are kind of turning the page and seeing things either for the greater or perhaps not. Perhaps it's time to cut ties if things are toxic and you know it, and you're leading with your emotions, you're telling people how it is, you're taking in inspirations from others, you're working together with, you know, your parents, your siblings, cousins, friends, and you are really looking at life in an upbeat, perspective way. Things might not be the way that you want to. You might be in a really low, depressing, dark place in your life, and it's easy to get stuck in that rut. It really is, okay? But you have to see things for the better, okay? If you're at the worst point of your life and you couldn't imagine things getting any worse, they probably won't, okay? So you have to start to realize that with every low, there's a high, okay? This could even just be, it doesn't have to be love, like I said, it could be friends, it could be family, okay? Maybe kind of kindling, you know, with a cousin that you lost ties with, or, you know, calling up your mom and just talking things through, okay? Sometimes relationships go sour for a little bit, and it takes you to extend the olive branch to really get things together, okay? Maybe send them some flowers, I don't know. Alright guys, so this pretty much sums us up for February 2019, my lovely Taurus friends. If you guys would like to book a private reading, go ahead and email me below. If you would like to subscribe and like, go ahead and do so. I'm not going to force you. You know what you do, and I told you to follow your instincts, so if it's not to subscribe here, go ahead and find somebody else to give you some, you know, motivation in life. You know, it's very important that you find the right reader who kind of, you could see yourself sitting down and them being your mentor. So if it's not here, please go ahead and find that help somewhere else, okay? Alright guys, this is Spiritual Findings with a Gypsy Soul. I am your Gypsy, Vera Lynn. You guys have a beautiful February.